Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your credit card on Cash App, or in another word how you guys can add another credit card on your Cash App. So both of these terms have the same meaning and the same solution, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, I want you guys to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future videos. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment and let's get right into the video. So to change your credit card or to add another credit card, basically you need to have a credit card already added to your Cash App account. Because if you guys haven't added a credit card already on Cash App, then basically you guys can change it. You guys can just add another one, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can change your credit card. So I think you guys already have a credit card added to your Cash App account. That's why you're in this video trying to change it. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on this house icon over here. Once you click on this house looking icon, you want to scroll down and click on where it says linked account. Once you click on linked account, it's going to show your debit card which is linked with your account and your credit card which is linked with your account. Now to change it, you want to click on your credit card, and after clicking on your credit card, it's going to show you these three options. So if you want to add another credit card, you can click on remove card and you want to add another credit card. But if you want to replace it or change it, you can click on replace card, and once you click on replace card, it's going to ask you to enter another credit card's number over here. So you want to enter your another credit card number. After entering another credit card number, it's going to ask you to enter its expiration date, and after entering its expiration date, it's going to ask you to enter its CVV. So enter its CVV and then enter your credit card's zip code. After entering your credit card's zip code, you want to click on next, and if all the information is correct, then it will be added to your Cash App. That's basically how you guys can change your credit card or add another credit card on your Cash App account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do consider hitting that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.